When your Gree AC remote stops responding, start with the most common culprit, the batteries. Replace them with fresh alkaline batteries, ensuring each provides exactly 1.5 volts. Next, test if your remote is actually working. Point it at your smartphone camera and press any button. You should see the infrared LED light up on your phone screen. If you don't see any light, the remote itself may be faulty. Now examine the air conditioning unit itself. Look for the infrared receiver, usually a small dark window on the front panel. Clean any dust or dirt from this sensor and make sure nothing is blocking it. Infrared interference can disrupt your remote signal. LED lights, fluorescent bulbs, and other infrared devices can interfere with communication between your remote and the air conditioner. Finally, check your positioning. Stay within 3 to 15 feet of the air conditioner and keep the remote angle within 15 degrees of perpendicular to the unit. Too far away or at too extreme an angle will prevent proper communication. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most remote control issues. If your Gree AC still doesn't respond after trying these solutions, you may need more advanced fixes involving power supply checks or system resets. When basic troubleshooting fails, the next step is checking your AC unit's power supply. Power issues are a common cause of remote control problems. Use a multimeter to verify your AC unit receives consistent voltage. Voltage irregularities can cause the control board to malfunction, preventing proper remote communication. If power is stable, try a complete hard reset. This procedure clears any corrupted settings and reestablishes communication between your remote and AC unit. Follow these steps carefully. First, turn off the AC unit at the main power switch. Wait exactly 30 seconds for all circuits to discharge completely. Next, hold the remote's reset button for 5 seconds. Then power on the unit while pointing the remote directly at the sensor and press the on button within 10 seconds. If problems persist after trying these advanced fixes, it's time to consider professional help. Remote control issues account for 23% of all Gree AC service calls. Finally, be aware that newer Gree models with Wi-Fi connectivity can experience conflicts between smartphone app control and the physical remote. This is an emerging issue that may require firmware updates or professional diagnosis.